Hey guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and today I'll be showing you how to place ads in your video, how to do a premiere, to set up a premiere, guys. And I'm gonna show you a social blade that can peep in people business, but even though it's not 100% accurate, I will show you anyway. I don't know if there's a paid version that show it accurate, but I recently saw somebody talking about social blade, so I said, hey, let me try it for myself. Let me sign in, yada yada yada, and I go in and it's showing me what I'm supposed to get. So take a look for yourself, guys. Okay, and tell me what you think. Okay guys, so for instance that you want to place ads, you go into, first I'm going to show you how to do Premiere, guys. I'm going to show you. All right, so this is a video, right? This is one of my videos that's supposed to be premiering today. So I'm going to click here. Normally you'd see unlisted, right? So here you're going to go and you click where you see this mouse is. You're going to go and you're going to click on here. So you would select the date that you'd want the video to go out for. So after doing that, so for instance you're gonna click the 29th, and you go and you click the time, set the time and everything, and you'd see setup premiere would be right here. So you would select it, and what that would do, it would give you some trail right here. So this is a trailer that I selected, so you can choose any one of your short videos, and then you'd press right here, would be turned into blue, where you could select schedule. So since this is already up, so I'm gonna leave that. For those that don't know how to place ads, this is what you do. First you'd turn on the monetization, and then you'd go over here. I already placing ads already, guys, but I'm just showing for those who don't know how to do it, because I realized that a lot of persons don't have ads. Oh, I forget that this is a short video, so let me find something that's a little bit longer than this one, because that's a short video. Alright, this motivation video that I did, let me click on that, click on the $sign. So I'm gonna go down, and where you see the mid-roll ads, you're gonna click there, and this is really easy and simple. So you would go down here, and then you see where you see these ads, right? Those are the ads, you know that. So you're gonna press on ad breaks, and for instance, let me show you this. See, so you're gonna do each one of them, and then after finishing placing your ads, then you're gonna go continue, then you're gonna save, and then you're gonna click back out of it, and that should be it. Yes guys, so for instance, let me show you. This is another technique I'm gonna show you guys. I have the two body. This sign that you're seeing here is the two body sign. So I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you one of my videos, because using two body is really good for you guys. It's help. Hold on guys, I don't know why sometimes you do like that, but gonna go on one of my channel. Right, Juliana Empire. Then I'm gonna click there. I'm gonna click on one of my videos, and I'm gonna show you why I say it's very important to place. Alright, pause that. Alright, you see where the TubeBuddy now. These are the scores that it gave for the video, and this is what you want to maintain, your SEO scores. So when you place your ads and everything, see, I got a score of 65. 65 out of 100 is not bad, but I still could put some more ads, tags, and see, these are the tags. These are the tags that I place in it, so that give me that amount of scores. So the more you do things like that, the better your channel will be. Your SEO scores will go up, and that's something that you would want to work on. I'm also going to show you something that also can show you. Alright, Social Blade. With Social Blade I already signed in, so I don't sign out. Let's say I'm gonna show you a I'm not got a channel there. Let me show you one of my channel. I'm gonna show you one of my channel, but it's not all the time it's accurate, but it does help. It's not all the while it's accurate, because sometimes it may show you a high figure, sometimes it may show you a low figure. I think it's accurate with most of the things, most and not all, because the only thing I can say it's accurate on my channel is the subscriber count and the amount of video that I post. Alright, this is the last video that I post. It's a short, and this is what it's saying that I should be making. Estimated monthly earnings, that's what I'm supposed to be making, from $60 to $961. I ain't getting nothing like that. Estimated yearly earnings from $721 to that. I'm not getting none of that. I'm not getting nothing like that. So this is why I say sometimes it's not accurate, but I can go on other people's channel, but I don't want to show that. So I hope that you guys definitely learned something, and it's very good to post videos every single day, guys. It's very good. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Let go.